Wood is a beautiful material. We both know that. We also know that it comes from trees. And as such, that differs from, say, stone or bronze or clay because it's a living material. As such, it has particular properties that we as woodcarvers need to work with and understand. This is a piece of tree, and this is our material. This is the stuff we're working with. We are more likely to actually have a piece of tree like this, a plank coming out of the tree, like so. It's a complicated material, needs lots of different tools at times to work it. But you as a carver, and myself as a carver, we need to understand how this works. We don't want to be fighting it, we want to, in effect, be dancing with it, working with the fibres of the tree, what we call grain. We'll be going along the grain like this, in the direction the tree was going. We'll be going across it. We'll be going across the end like this, or we're going diagonally. All these involve a different way of working, and I'm going to show you these. I'm going to show you different ways of working and give you like golden rules as to how to handle wood and material. So that really is the key point. You need to, right from the start, thinking about your material, where it comes from, and how you're going to use it, because at the end of the day, you're a wood carver.